Hi guys, we are GIF Creator. We are new in the GR world. All of our products which will be exposed in the site will be GIF animated actions. This is our first project called Parallax effect. It's very unique because it's hard to be created in Photoshop as a GIF action. Every similar products that you have seen are made with Adobe After Effects. Check out the example. As you can see, it's lagging because I'm recording in HD. The action is not heavy, so you won't see any problems. But before we start with the demonstration, we should be sure about a few things. First, when you click on the layer drop-down menu, find panel options and make sure that the last option is checked, add copy, to copy it layers and groups, and click OK. Second, go to image mode and make sure that RGB color, mode and 8-bit channel are chosen. This is mandatory because some of the effects don't work properly with the other modes. Third, the version of your Photoshop must be in English. Now we must load the files included in the pack. Go to Window, Actions, and from the drop-down menu, select Load Actions and choose Parallax Photoshop Action. Then from Blending Options, click Pattern Overlay and load the pattern. Particles path file. If you don't have the animated panel, you can open it from Window, Timeline, or from the drop-down menu and select Motion. When we have done everything right, we can start. Our Parallax toolkit offers 4 different animations, some other options for the layers, some prepared resizements, cool moving particles, Instagram color options, lens lights and effects. Each of our products will be updated weekly. I'm going to show you how the action works with the third effect. Just play the action and follow the instructions. Brush over your front object and play the action again. Click play again. Brush over your mid object and play the action again. Play again. Our front and middle objects are brushed. The back object will be created automatically as well as the animation. All done. The animation have been set to 6 seconds. If there is any odd contours, like this, play Edit Object Contours. Please select on one of the following layers and play the action again: front object, mid object, or back object. In our case, select front object and play the action again. With black brush, hide parts from the object. With white brush, reveal parts from the object. When you are ready, play the action again. You can repeat this action unlimited times. If not, click on the mask next to the layer, then edit. When we are ready, play egg again. If we don't like something from the background, because the removal of the front object is automatic, play Edit Image Content. Please select one of the following layers and run the action again: front object, mid object, or back object. In our case, select mid object and play the action again. Use your favorite technique to edit the image. We have prepared for you the clone stamp tool because it's the easiest way. When we are ready, play the action again. Now we are back to the original document. To add sharpness and blurriness on any layer, run these tool actions. They work in the same way. It's not necessary to use them because they are heavy for the final animation and require over 4 GB RAM. I will show you how they work. Please select one of the following layers and play the action again: front object, mid object, or back object. In our case, this is mid object. Now the front object have better quality and all the others are blurred. It's very important before you run a new action to always be on the top grouped layers and they must be closed. To do that, hold Ctrl, Shift and click on the arrow next to the group. All of the groups will be closed automatically. Now let's add some colors and run Instagram color options. We have prepared for you 10 different color options from which you can choose. Now an error will appear only if you're using this action on static image, because they are going to be prepared for the animation, but the effects will be ready and working. Click stop if you don't using it for animation. We created animation, so click continue. They are ready. You can reveal or hide them with the little eye next to the groups. Also, you can combine them. Let's add some moving particles. Just play the action. There is a mask next to the particles group. When you paint with black brush on the mask, the particles will disappear on the areas you brushed over. You can flip the direction of the particles by these two actions. They are running in the same way. Select the particles layer you want to flip and click play again. Let's add some lens effects. Run Lens Flare version 1. Choose the position of the flare. You can place it wherever you want. Here is the result. Close the group and let's combine it with lens texture action. Open one of the textures included in the pack. Just position it. Now dirty dots appear on the lens when the light rises.
Okay.
There are two color layers. By clicking Hue and Saturation button, you can easily change the color of the effect. We can make the particles to move more randomly. Play shake the particles and open the PSD file. You can see the examples on the other preview movie. The shake particles action is the second heavy effect and requires more RAM. I will remove it because I'm recording a video. When we are ready, play save and go to the preview. Here you can check your final movie preview. If you want to change something like color correction, effects, etc., please run the other action code, go to the editable layers. Here you can edit your layers, color correction, etc. When you are ready, run the action code, save and go to the preview. Now we will edit the color of the flare. Click save and go to the preview. When we are sure that we are ready, you can play export the GIF. But first, the animation will be saved with 1080 width. If you want to change the final size, run one of these actions. Envato, Facebook, Instagram, HD or mini animation. To resize your image, please make sure that you are on the final preview document. If you are in the PSD file with the editable layers, please do not resize. Run save and go to the preview. Then you can run all resize actions like Envato, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Now run export as a GIF and follow my values. Selective, diffusion, GIF, 256 colors, 100% dither, 0 lossy, bicubic quality. Choose forever looping option and click save. Here is the finished result. If you don't want the file in GIF, then click File, Export, Render Video, and save it as an AVI video format. Okay, that's for now. We offer 24/7 online support. Wait for our updates and new items.